Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day. I'm Annabel Maraver, 40 years old, residing out Kawit, Cavite. I have 5 children, and then
How old?
my oldest son is 23 years old, and second is daughter is 9 years old, and my third is 16, and my fourth is 13, and my fifth is 5 years old.
Okay, so are you married or single?
I'm married now,
Happily married.
I believe.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", my weight is 130 pounds.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
My educational attainment is high school graduate.
Okay, are you ex-abroad?
No ma'am, first time abroad.
Okay, but how about here in the Philippines? Do you have any experience?
I have experience in household only.
Okay, please tell us about your work experience.
My household experience cleaning a house and washing dishes and my taking care of children.
Okay, how many family members you serve?
Three members.
How many children?
One only.
How old?
9 years old.
Okay, so for how many years you work in your
I
family?
work in the family is 2 years.
2 years. So what are your duties and responsibilities?
My responsibility is to respect my employer,
What else?
and then taking about and washing dishes every day, and cook and ironing.
Okay, so you do the household chores. And how about taking care of the child?
Taking child is to
What are the things that you do on taking care of her or him?
to eat, and
Giving
then
food.
give her food and eat.
Okay, so how about elderly? Is it any elderly inside the house?
Yes ma'am.
How many?
One only.
How old?
55.
Okay, so it's an adult only. Okay, and you have experience, but you take care of children or the child, 9-year-old. How about taking care of newly-born? I think you're very well trained when it comes on taking care of them because you already have 5 kids. Are you the one who take care of them since their birth?
Yes ma'am, I'm full mother.
Full-time mother to your 5 kids. So when they are newly born babies, do you remember the things that you do on taking care of them?
Yes ma'am. To breastfeed.
Okay, so you prepare to breastfeed
Yes,
all your
ma'am.
5 kids.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So what is the important thing on breastfeeding? On feeding milk to the baby after they drink milk, what is the important thing that you need to do?
To burp, and then
You have to make the baby burp by
by
rubbing the back.
rubbing the body.
Okay. So do you know some children's song?
Yes ma'am.
Can you show us an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. And how about elderly? Do you have experience?
No.
Okay, but if your employer in Hong Kong have an elderly or disabled person, are you willing to take care of them?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so do you also know how to cook?
Yes ma'am.
What kind of dishes can you cook?
Filipino food
Like?
like sinigang, adobo, and vegetable. Chinese food also.
Okay. So Chinese food, if your employer wants you to cook more Chinese dishes for them, are you willing to learn?
I will to learn if you teach me.
Okay. So what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
Washing machine, vacuum, and then TV, iron,
So all electric appliances.
electric appliances.
Okay. And most people in Hong Kong are speaking Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I will to learn the language
Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because I want to work in Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is big salary, and then Hong Kong is clean.
It's a clean country. Okay. And can you give message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am. If you choose me, I'm
What's
your
in your
family. I'm also love if my own family and respect and obedience to me. And trust me, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise to be honest all the time?
Yes, ma'am.
And how about the contract?
I will finish my contract in 2 years.
Okay, and if your employer love your job, and are you willing to extend your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.